So, in the last video, we talked about some shapes and how to manipulate them. Today I'll be telling you about one more shape that's a little bit different than the others, and about some other nice functions that you could use to help you with shapes. So the shape I want to introduce to you, it's not exactly a shape, and it's also structured a little bit differently. It's a line. You might be familiar with these. Now you just type in line, and now the standard procedure for it is, I'll just type it in for you. You probably have no idea what these mean, so I'll explain these to you. So x1 is the starting coordinate. So lines have 2 points basically, right? The start point and the end point. All right. So x1 is x position of the starting point of the line. Y1 is a y coordinate of the starting position. X2 is the x coordinate of the ending position, and y2 is a y coordinate of the ending position. So to put this together, let's say I want to make a line that starts off from coordinate, the beginning point of it is maybe 10, 5, and it ends at 30, 30. Let's try that. Alright, nice. So it starts at 10, 5, and ends at 30, 30. Cool. We can change this more, so make it 30, 90. As you can see, it stretches off more. So that's a nice little way we can manipulate lines. So now, let's look at some nice functions we could use. So, the function I want to introduce you is called the fill function. The fill function, which basically is used to fill shapes or anything really fillable. Fillable. With usually a certain color. And the stroke border of something. So let's start off with the fill. So we do fill, and maybe do 2. I'll just see what happens to everything. Oh wait, sorry. So if we do fill and we start off maybe saying 0, 0, and 255. We see that they all turn to be blue, right? So when you do fill, the fill function is there's two characteristics sort of to the fill function. So the fill function has sort of 2 characteristics. First of all, the computer basically reads the fill function as everything underneath it gets filled. So anything that's underneath the fill function gets filled, unless of course another fill function is called or no fill is called. So everything under this function gets filled with this color. And 2, of course, the fill function makes a color inside of a shape, right? So you can see here it's blue, and this is also blue. And let's say we wanted to make the ellipse blue, but the rectangle not. What do you guys think we would do? The correct answer is actually make another fill function, and in that, if we want to make, for instance, green, we'd do 0, 255. Remember RGB 0. And just test that again. Boom, we have a green and blue circle. Blue ellipse, sorry. In the lines, of course, you can't really get any sort of color because they're just one-dimensional. Alright. So yeah, I think that wraps it up for this video. So we looked up fill. And, oh wait, there's one more thing I wanted to talk about, which is stroke. So stroke. So this function is the border of the, as I said, border or something. Like it usually shape. So stroke is just stroke and then a number. So that's just number is how thick border is. It's very simple. So we could do maybe for the rectangle, we could do stroke 2. And you can see it gets thicker. We could do maybe 10. So it's very obvious. $100. Oh, I'm gonna mix up the stroke and stroke weight. So stroke, my bad. So stroke is also the color of the border. So stroke hex. So inside the stroke, you input RGB. GB. So I'm gonna mix up between my functions a little bit. I'm getting mixed up with the function I'm gonna introduce in the next video, which will be stroke weight and it's really stroke weight and a couple of other things. The stroke, and you just input the stroke and 3 colors, right? So you can do stroke. We can make the border like red, so you won't really actually see it. So that's the red border on it, just from the green one, yeah. So we can also make a stroke for our ellipse, right? Stroke, and let's make that blue, right? RGB. I see blue border on the blue shape, green border on the red shape. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Stay tuned for the next videos, and we'll be diving into a little more concepts and then bringing it all together. Thank you.